Hi guys, welcome back to the Asylum. I'm coming to you today from the Whoop Cam, the Mobula 6 HD. This has been a crazy couple of weeks. We're currently back into full lockdown where I am in Southern Australia. For those locals, I'm in Melbourne. I'm actually in Sunbury, just near the airport in Tullamarine. So yeah, stuff's getting real and stuff's getting crazy again. But you know what? I've got this whole park to myself. There's no kids anymore, so you know what? What better time to get the whoop out here and get it cracking? So here I am. But just wanted to say thanks to everybody who's subscribed to my YouTube channel, everybody who shows and puts up with all my content on Instagram. So you can go and check them out if you haven't already. To the whole FPV community and fam, thank you very much. Drone FPV World, Project Zen FPV, love you guys heaps. Stay Fly FPV, Super Deluxe, Mad Chiller with the Goon Squad. Everybody's absolutely awesome, so thank you very much. You guys make it real, you guys make it awesome, and you inspire me to keep flying. So the main idea of this is to announce the giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away another Diatone GTB finger frame, which is absolutely awesome. The first one went out to Dread FPV. Check him out if you want some 3D printed custom DJI faceplates. They are fantastic. Great work, mate. Yeah, so like and follow me on Instagram. Leave a comment down below in this video. Make sure that you've got your subscription on public so I can actually see you guys. And yeah, I'll be drawing it in 2 weeks' time. So just want to say thanks very much. And now that they've stopped making so much noise, I'm going to go rip the little HD. Thanks guys, love yous, bye.